Hey warriors, welcome to the 7th episode of our series Linux Basics for Hackers. In today's episode, we are going to see how to move in our Linux virtual directory. So we will try to do it using a command line interface, which will be very helpful for you. So in today's video, we are going to see cd command. First of all, I'll increase the size of this terminal so that it should be visible to you. I guess now it is clearly visible to you. So basically, the syntax of cd command looks something like this: cd, and thereafter we have destination. Okay. This is how syntax of cd command looks. Now, if you just enter cd, wherever you are in your Linux virtual directory, you will just come to your home directory. Home directory is donated by this tilde sign, okay? And if you look at Linux uh, virtual file directory, it looks something like this. At the top, we have root. Although I have already made video on Linux file directory, but just to try to make you understand cd command, I'll try to show you using this. So under root directory, we have various subdirectories, which is boot, etc, home. Under home directory, we have our user directory, which is codecs. In my case, under codecs, there are various files: desktop documents, downloads, music, videos, public pictures, templates, and videos. Okay. So currently we are in our home directory. So to go to root directory, we will press destination, which is our root directory sign / and press enter. And thereafter, if we just want to come back to our home directory from wherever we are, either we are in root, we are in etc, or we are in more lower folder. So we just need to press cd and press enter, and we are back to our home directory. You can see the sign over here. It is a tilde sign. It indicates that we are in our home directory. Okay. So let us come back to syntax, which is our cd and destination. So destination can be provided using two ways. It can either be absolute directory reference, or it can either be relative directory reference. Now, what is absolute directory reference? Using absolute directory reference, you have to provide complete path wherever you want to go. For example, in cd, we know that if we just open our Linux virtual directory, we can see under root we have home, under home we have codecs, under codecs we have documents. Okay. So if we want to go in document section, so what we will do, we will provide root. Under root, we have to go in home. Under whom we have to go in codecs. And under codecs, we have to go in documents, right? So by this way, we have to provide, and we are in documents. Now from here, suppose we want to go to etc, then how we will do that? If you check out our Linux file structure, so under root there is etc. So we'll just enter that command cd, and thereafter we will enter our root. Under root there is etc, and to go to our home directory, again we can just simply press cd and press enter, and we are back to our home directory. Although here you will find written that tilde sign indicates that we are in our home directory of a particular user, which is codecs, and etc indicates that okay, we are in etc. And if we are in documents, it will indicate that okay, after home directory we are in documents. Okay. So if it is if in your laptop it is not indicating, you can simply type pwd command, which tells you about your present working directory, and press enter, and it will tell you that okay, I'm in my current user home directory. Okay. So you can use this command. This command will also be very much helpful. So by this way you can navigate using absolute directory reference. Okay, now let us move to another, which is a relative directory reference. Okay. So instead of typing this long, we can just provide it destination, but relative to current working directory. Okay. So currently we are in our home directory, and under home directory we have documents. Okay. So to move to documents, we have to just provide cd, and thereafter we have to name the subdirectory wherever we want to go. So we will enter documents, and we'll press enter. And now you can see, instead of typing this long, we had to just type this small thing, and we are in our documents directory. Now, if we want to just go one step backward, before that, I would like to tell you there are two special character used in this. One is dot, and the other one is double dot. Dot is used to indicate the current working directory, and double dot is used to indicate the parent. Suppose if you want to go back, just one step backward, you will provide cd and dot dot, and we are just one step backward. Okay. So you want to go again back, which will be our root directory. So press cd and press dot dot, and now we are in our home directory. Now if we provide it again cd dot dot, we are back to our root directory. So you can move up. Now if I provide it again, since there is no directory above root, So it will we will be just in a root directory. Okay, so let us come back to our home directory just by pressing cd. Okay, now we are here. Now suppose again let me navigate to our documents. Okay, now we are in documents. Now if we want to go back to our downloads, now to check that where download folder is or download directory is, okay, it is just it is in codecs, but right now we are in documents. To go in downloads, what we have to do, we have to go one step upward, and thereafter we have to come in downloads. Okay, so to do that, what we will do, we will just come here, we will type cd command space dot dot to just go one step backward / and thereafter we have to go to downloads. So we'll provide URW and press enter. Now you can see we are in downloads. Okay, now suppose we want to go to etc. So what we have to do, we will press cd. Before that, I'll just show you diagram. So to go in etc, what we will do, we will go one step backward, thereafter another step backward, and thereafter other step backward, and thereafter in etc, right? So we have to go 3 step backward and thereafter in etc. So we'll provide cd dot 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 dot, and thereafter we'll provide etc and press enter. Now you can see we have navigated to etc directory using relative directory reference. Okay, now if we wanted to go more quicker, we could just type cd / and etc. Okay, this is using absolute. So there are many places where you'll find a use of absolute directory reference useful. For example, which we saw right now, that in this case relative directory reference is not that efficient, but if you check out here, relative directory reference plays quite a good role, because you can see instead of typing this long, you can just type this small and you are in your documents. And here, if you go through relative directory reference, you have to type this long, and if you use absolute, you have to just type this much. I guess guys, this video was quite helpful. You can just use a relative or absolute according to your need and according to its efficiency. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to our channel, and see you in next video, guys. Happy hacking. Bye bye.